What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. This is tutorial 60 and today's topic will be on sum operator and keys operator. So let me explain what is sum operator. Sum returns the sum of a set of numeric values. So suppose you are going to do some sort of operation. For example, you are having 10 nodes and each node is having one property key called car, and each person is having car number 2, some person is having car, or some of them are having 5, 6, 7 like this. So you are having 10 nodes and one of the properties number of cars, and there you have some numeric values. Now you would like to calculate how many numbers of total cars available within the graph with respect to like if you consider all the nodes. Okay, so in that time the sum operator is going to be very useful. So you can operate or use this sum method to calculate all the given numeric values. So value has to be kind of represented as a set of values, and again any values are excluded, any null values are excluded from the calculation. So if you are having any null values, it will automatically excluded. Okay, there is some noise, I'm not sure from here. Okay, so Neo4j, find the sum of. Okay, so let me change this thing, find the property, okay, sum operator definition. Now this is sum operator, find the sum of all ages. Yes, this is going to work and using. So let's see if I have anything here or not. Match n, and let's say it is return n. So this is going to be match and return n. So nothing is there. So what I'll do, I'll try to create some nodes, and after that we'll calculate the ages. So create a, and after that it will be like player name equals to again Messi, and what I'll do, I'll just create another a key, that is, let's say 31. So like this. So what I'll do, I'll create another one. Okay, so let's keep B, and this is going to be CR7, let's say 33, then another one probably 25, let's say Pogba C, and last one will be Suarez. Okay, and let's say 32. Okay, so all 4 labels with nodes created. Now we'll try to find out what is the sum of all ages. Okay, so match a and then player, and we'll return return sum a dot age as total underscore age. So let's see it's written. So 31, 33, then 31, 33, 25 and 32, it will return this thing only. Okay, so this is very simple, this is very easy, and if you know the syntax and how to use this, then definitely it will like save much more time when you are using this thing at the time of developing some real world application. Okay, so I'll write this thing here. Okay, so insert from picture. Okay, now we'll do the same thing from Python ID. So let me just copy paste this thing from here. I think yes, because we have already written the code. Okay, see, so let's do the same thing again. So guys, so I'm just creating the slides for you guys as well, so definitely it will help you. So just go through the slides as well. If you are not following the tutorials, and if you don't have time to follow the tutorial, just go through the slides and source code, then also it will help you. Okay, Okay, so sum operator completed. So next topic is keys operator. Keys return a list containing the string representation of all the property names of a node, relationship or map. Okay, so what is that? So it is kind of very descriptive definition. So I'll make sure to explain you the thing first. Suppose you are having let me open this thing, match n match a return a. Okay, so how many nodes are there? 3 nodes. And how many properties are there? If you click here, id is again by default property, age and name, right? There are 2 property keys. So what it is saying, it will give you the property names of the node, relationship or map. Okay, so list containing, keys returning a list containing the string representation. String representation means the key value pair concept. If you think about that, it will going to return the keys. Suppose you are having one node and there are 2 properties, one is name and one is age. So string representation of key means the name of those properties, like name and age will going to be written. So let me show the thing, match a. Okay, there's some mistake, where a dot age equals to 31, return keys a. Okay, see, name and age. Now you will think that okay, by default it is coming. So what I'll do, I will try to create another thing. Okay, so match a player name Messi, set a dot position forward. Okay, so it is done. Now what I'll do, I will change this thing. Now let's see what is happening. It should return the 3 key values. Okay, so name, age, position. So this is that much simple, guys. So this is very simple. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just take a screenshot of this thing. Actually this will help you. Okay, and I will so let's just put this thing, the pictures. Okay, and we'll try to do the same thing from Python ID as well. So using property, find the property names. This is actually the property names, nothing else. So what I'll do, I'll just take a copy paste of this thing and I'll put it directly in Eclipse ID. And guys, don't try to do the same way what I'm doing, because I'm not writing this thing and that's this thing. So you should start doing some sort of practice, or else definitely you'll forget, because I am doing this thing regularly. So I'm not doing these lines again and again writing, because it is actually going to make like much more time to create the videos. That's it, name, age, position. So it's very simple. So what I'll do, okay, that's it. So let's try this thing now from here. Okay, cool. Okay, so that's all, guys. That's all for today. So we have completed the keys and sum operator in this tutorial. Yes, sum and keys operator, and this is actually our tutorial 60. So it is quite lengthy series, and you can trust me guys, it will be like another at least another 40 or 50 tutorials. So there are much more things are left, and those things are going to be very advanced. So just stay tuned with us. There will be other very exciting and most like interesting topics are coming with respect to Neo4j. So it will actually make you noob to expert or advanced in Neo4j or graph database. You can go for any company interview, you can crack any problem with respect to graph and Neo4j. So stay tuned with us. So that's all guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye. And if someone is watching our channel or our YouTube course for the first time, please subscribe to us, hit the bell icon so that you should not miss any notification. And if those are watching or like subscribing to our course from Udemy, guys, please try to communicate with me. Send me your feedback, suggestion, comments, whatever you have. If you have any ideas or you have any other suggestion for creating some more hands-on, please let me know. I'll try to include all those things in the future tutorials and course. And thanks for your support. So that's all guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice day.